But yeah, we've got a full day today. It's pretty fucking busy.
Yeah. Nigga that got spoiled off these fucking PJs. It's not like I'm too good at fly commercial. That shit just, it's a hassle at this point, you know what I mean?
Yes, party people, we're back, and you will see in the background we have got some drool artwork up in the flat. Yeah, we did it. Shout out to Andy B and Sally Budden. Mum and Daddy came around to help with that because me and Ryan are obviously not handymen, unfortunately. Woo! It has been a crazy start to the week. Sometimes you just get up and you just sit down, go to the gym, came back, sat down, had calls after calls after calls. Not gonna lie, pretty overwhelmed right now. I got back last night, had loads to do over the weekend that I just did not do because I spent some time with the family, and then I ended up staying up till 2 a.m, went to bed, woke up at 8 a.m, and I was just sat in bed like that. I was like, oh my God. I said to myself, I was like, if it was easy, everyone will fucking do it. And I got up, went to the gym. Honestly, I was literally sat there like, oh, I could just go back to sleep for an hour. And I was like, no, if it's easy, then everyone would do it. It's meant to be hard. That's literally what it's meant to be. You can't be successful if you just wait around and do fucking nothing. We started the week, we had literally so many calls this morning, back to back to back to back. Woke up, had a call with the team, checking what was going on, then had a mentoring call, and then had another mentoring call scheduled, but they actually didn't turn up, so shout out to them, awkward. And now, I just had a call with the landlord, and then now we're gonna have part of Monday's call, which is actually insane. Every month we sit down about 2.5 hours and we just help each other in business. So I'm gonna do that now, and then have we got anything exciting today? We've got a lot going on at the end of the week. We've got a couple of events, got a Seiko VIP dinner as well, but another week, same goals, lock in, make some money, grow the businesses, have some fun at the same time. Right, let's get it. Yes, party people, we just jumped off the AOM monthly call, which was insane as per usual. I was with Christian and Louis in our breakout rooms. A few questions we went through to give you a bit of an idea. We went through, what is 2 things you're proud of? What would you do right now if you weren't afraid? And what are you pretending is fine but isn't? And basically what happens is we go through those questions in a little breakout room and we learn from each other, we discuss, we get deeper, have them deeper chats. A few different things came out, that's for sure. I'm gonna implement this week, but the biggest one for me, to be fair, was like speaking into people's growth. So don't speak as if, they can't do things without you. Speak into their growth, so speak to them as if you want them to grow in terms of like their skill set. So if I want their skill set, say we're amazing at this, I want to give you more responsibility, I want to make you do more of this, and then they'll grow rather than taking responsibility away from them because it's like, oh well, they can't do it as well because I can do better than them. So that was fucking awesome. Rest of the day, I've got some more calls. I'm going out for dinner later, which will be so nice. Kitten, if you don't know, get to know. Also, life hack. If you don't know, if you don't know meal prep, so that's what the life hack is. You need to get meal prep. You seem like you saw from my fridge there, so we'll see what happens, see what you judge. But yeah, meal prep, endless nutrition, a few shots as well. Today we have on the menu some chicken, rice, vegetables, absolute classic. Getting shredded fried beef, you know what it's like. Anyway, not much is gonna happen for the rest of the day, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, party people, right, we have got an absolute day for it. We have mentoring day with Tom and Freddie from Easy Invest. We're going to be doing through systems, finalising all the processes we've put in place. And yeah, I got to go downstairs because I'm 5 minutes late, but it's going to be sick. It's a full day, 10 till 5, all the boys. I've hired out one of the rooms, so let's get into it. And party people, we're halfway through the day. We're just going to get some lunch. Got Tom in the background there doing some content. We got a lot done this morning. We went through online check-in forms. We went through review dashboards so they can now monitor the KPIs and the reviews. But yeah, we've got a full day today. It's pretty fucking busy. But it's awesome to see people win. Also, shout out to Luca, who just posted on Instagram with loads of bookings, which is insane. And yeah, we're going for lunch, and then back to it this afternoon or until 5 o'clock, and then we'll call it a day. Peace. If you want to make £10,000 a month for the next 90 days, you can travel the world. Right, we've just finished up our day of mentoring. Right, boys, how was it?
10-10, mate.
10 out of 10. We'll
Get
take
involved.
It. Get involved.
Quality.
Quality. 2 words.
Should I give a proper testimonial for Dan? What I'll say is this guy, he's really ethical. He really has the best intentions for you and your business. Not only that, he knows what he's doing. He's got the business, the credibility. I couldn't recommend Dan enough. We enjoy it. It's fun, personable, and he wants the best for you.
Oh, look at that. All out promoting Easy Invest as well. Let's go. Big up. Anything to add, Tom, or just he took the whole
insane value as per everything that Fred said. If you're looking to level up in your business, reach out to this guy.
And we're nearly hit a lamppost. Right, that's it for today. We're not going to add anything else because I got to go for a run and then a spa session, and you ain't seen what's inside there.
Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Woo! Jumped off a call. Mentoring calls all morning. It's all happening. Ryan got back last night. He's turned away. He came in, he can't come on the vlog today, unfortunately, but he'll come on the vlog tomorrow, I'm sure. Can't even turn around because he looks like bro. Yes, party people, we've got a lot of energy today. Ryan is absolutely buzzing. He snuck in last night back with my beaver, didn't he? Had a bit too much fun. I've had a mad morning of calls. Honestly, we've had a call with Luca on mentees, a call with Jack on mentees, and a call with some of my new team members in the SA community as well, which is going to be absolutely insane. So watch this space there. Rest of today looks like even more calls. I got to do a swim later for the Ironman, and then me and the boy, I'm going to hit the spa, max and relax, take it easy. And then tomorrow we've got a event on in the evening. I don't think I'm going to take you with me, but if I do, it's going to be one hell of a time. Right, peace.
Yeah. Money on my mind, so too.
So for those who don't know, Ryan did a half marathon in Ibiza before he came back. And he came in really excited with his medal. It's kind of like when you get started in MMB, isn't it? Yeah. It's kind of when you get started in MMB. Get your first property, yeah? And then someone comes along and posts all their properties on Airbnb. And that's what they got. But you know what this means? This is motivation. You see what's possible. And you start with just one little medal. This is what Ryan will have next year. All the medals.
I don't think I want another medal, honestly.
How you feeling, big man?
I feel fucked.
Do you want a medal to make you feel better?
Yeah.
Yeah, give us one of them. Yes, party people, right, another day, another dollar, same goals, just got back from a run, 8K. Tom and my coach won't be happy with me because I was meant to do a 2.5 hour bike ride yesterday. Didn't do it, did my swim instead, then needs to do the bike ride today, but I don't have time to do the bike ride today, so I've done an 8K instead. Fucking hell, the glorious stresses of training for an Ironman whilst building multiple businesses. Anyway, Ryan's left me again. Got back last night from my beef and I fucked off again. Yeah, today we've got a lot on. So normally every Thursday I'll spend on the community and the academy. So today we've got a few calls of members looking to join and we'll see if they're the right fit and we'll get them there if they are right. And then yeah, I've got an event this evening. So I have a couple of friends around which will be absolutely insane. Maybe I'll bring you along with me. Maybe I'll just have some videos. Right, let's catch up once Ollie is here.
Every minute, final picture, wait, that's a 10, 11. Oh, hell, say it once again. I like my funk X-rated, like I like my sex. I like my sex X-rated, like I like my funk. I like my funk X-rated, like I like my sex. I like my sex X-rated, like I like my funk. I like my...
Yes, party people, oh my gosh, it was one hell of a night last night, I can't lie. Still got the tunes on, so I haven't set them tunes off. But yeah, we went to Clooney last night at Albert Hall. All my days, quite the evening, that's for sure. Today has been a pretty productive day, I'm not gonna lie, considering how late we were up last night, being perfectly honest. But now I'm suited and booted. We're going to the Seiko VIP dinner, which we're hosting today at the Ivy. We've got 26 absolute legends there. We're gonna be going through all things Airbnb, business, lifestyle, entrepreneurship, just connecting, having a good time. And then obviously we might go out afterwards, maybe, have a few beers, see what happens. But yeah, that's me. We're gonna head over there now. I'm probably not gonna bring the Osmo. Maybe I will. Maybe I will bring the Osmo. No, we'll see. We'll vibe it. We'll get the videographer to take some videos for us. But yeah, right, I will see you guys probably tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to the VIP SA Community Dinner. We've got some of the members upstairs, so it's just the bro community that get to come to these events. It's going to be, sounds like we've got all the lads here today. We've got 26 of us all around this table, sharing knowledge, sharing stories, and just getting to know each other on a bit more of a deeper level. It's pretty nice for us all to get together, have a good time, and have a few beers as well. So, we'll see you in a little bit.
Hey, whoa, hey,
How did I get put with you two?
yeah, I'm making a change
I just want this to be a place where you can share ideas, talk to me knowledge, talk to everyone in this room, be a bit lonely as an entrepreneur and like as business owners, so it's nice to actually have a bit of connection, have a bit of vibes, and yeah, have some fun afterwards because we'll probably go out a bit later.
Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one in that day, it's the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes?
How did you find the evening so far?
Good, enjoyed it. Good night. Been bang on.
Loving life, man. Loving life, yeah.
Best part of the evening so far?
People and the food, I think.
People and the food.
Yeah.
Fillet steak.
Steak?
Fillet steak, yeah.
Everyone ordered the steak, honestly. Best part of the night?
It's not happened yet.
Later. Yes, party people, the calm after the storm, if that's even a saying. I've just made it one. We are back, and yesterday we had the SA Community VIP dinner, and it was absolutely incredible. We had 26 absolute legends in the room, really good conversations, really good networking, and we had a pretty good night as well, can't lie. It was a bit of a late one. It's a bit later on in the day. I'm going to go for a bike ride now because I'm still training for the Ironman. I need to do a 2-hour bike ride. And then it's one of the boys' birthday later, which is going to have some fun. I'm sure I would have put some videos in, but if I haven't, then let's go check it out. This is what happened. Well then, what an absolutely insane weekend. Sometimes you just got to have a bit of a blowout, enjoy yourself, reward yourself for all the hard work you put in, but this weekend was absolutely incredible. It's actually Sunday and it's Bank Holiday Sunday, so I'm going to go out and see some friends at the moment, but we are not going out tonight, that's for sure. Thursday night we went to Albert Hall, watched Clooney live, incredible DJ set, absolutely insane, great group of people. Friday with the VIP dinner, which was absolutely game changing. Honestly, 26 absolute legends all in one building, having a whale of a time. Good conversations, good collaborations. Honestly, we're going to do so many more of those because I love doing them as well. And then last night, we had guest list at East End Dubs at Albert Hall again, which was backstage, fucking incredible. But yeah, fuck me, the brain needs a bit of a relaxation. So, you know, it's not always grind. You've got to reward yourself sometimes, especially if you are killing it out there. There's a lot of people who are doing amazing stuff and they don't actually reward themselves. Don't just keep grinding. Like, what do you do it all for? You do it so you can have a good time. So yeah, absolutely mad weekend. But today, bit of a pamper day. I've got a bit dressed up. We're going to go out into town. We're going to get a coffee. We're going to get an almond croissant. We're going to see some friends, sparkling water, chat some shit, let the brain just absolutely go off on one. And then we'll get absolutely dialed in again this week. I got another week in Manchester before we go to Mallorca next Saturday, which will be fun. But yeah, been a bit of a crazy week, can't lie. Lots of work at the start. I finished off with an absolute 7 for 3 days, I can't lie. Yes, party people, all right, you have made it this far into the vlog. First off, thank you for watching the full thing. And secondly, I said last week, if you like, comment and subscribe, then I'm going to pick one of the comments at random using a name picker, and that person is going to get £100. I'm going to be doing that again this week, so all you need to do is like, comment, and make sure you're subscribed, and I'm going to do the same thing next week, £100 to a random person who comments. So let's get it done. I'm going to spin now, and then we'll see who the winner of the £100 giveaway is. Okay, and the winner is at Malik Family. Boom, there we go. Right, I'm going to reach out to you on YouTube. If you're watching the vlog, then message me on Instagram. If not, I'm going to try and reach out to you. Congratulations, I'm going to send you £100. For those who didn't win, unlucky, comment again, like, and make sure you're subscribed, and I will see if you can win next week. Right, peace.
Yeah, money on my mind, so I'm too paid. Real out of time, never Kool-Aid.